Hi, I'm Trevor and I am from GACTC and my sending school is Altoona and I am in grade 11. I'm in Automotive Technology in GACTC. So far I've been in here since 9th grade year. Automotive Technology is basically working on your everyday car. Right now we are learning electrical theory. Whenever I was able to help my dad work on his everyday cars. At the age of 10, I was helping him with brakes, oil changes, changing different fluids. We also have SP2, which is more of your safety, and then we also have our AAC certifications. They are things that shops look for to see if they would want to hire you. From what I was told, if you have more certifications, you have better chance of getting hired. We're able to help with the industry's personnel supply need. People more think it's just a men's course. I've heard from a person that she wanted to take this class, but their parents said it's only a men's job to do. I'd say basically if you'd want to do it, go ahead. Both men and women in my class are capable of doing the same things, and they can be certified in the same things. Do your research to see what job opportunities you would want to look going into. What I like the best is being in the shop. We're able to go on to many different field trips, so we'll go to different dealerships. I like being more in the shop and being more hands-on. I learn better that way than being stuck in the classroom looking at a book. I'm planning on, at least after I get out, joining the automotive field and then further my knowledge in the field.